Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to study abroad with IFSA Butler step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for IFSA Butler. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button on the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the provided field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your password if needed. Once you have entered your credentials, double-check for accuracy. After confirming that your details are correct, click on the Login button. Wait for the page to load, and you should be redirected to your dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. You can also clear your browser's cache and try logging in again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to IFSA Butler's support team. Once logged in, explore the available resources and tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.